My name is Sean Connors, and I teach auto collision repair and refinishing at the Saginaw Career Complex in Saginaw, Michigan. This is my 4th year I just completed, and in the fall I will be starting my 5th year. I was a collision repair technician for approximately 25 years. I chose to become an instructor. I saw the opening for this position and I thought it would be kind of a different way to go, and I thought I had quite a bit to offer the kids, and that's why I decided on trying it, and I really enjoyed it. We do light body repairs. We get into a little bit of the heavier stuff, do a bunch of painting, bunch of filler work, bunch of, panel replacement, stuff like that, the smaller things that they can do, some suspension work. They have to be on time. If not, they'll lose professional points. They'll have to clean up their own mess. We do team building things with them. We also make them pick up whatever junk they've left on the floor. No swearing, anything they get, they'll lose points. If you ever see a car on the side of the road that's been in an accident, that's what we do. We take the car, we fix it, make it pre-accident condition, make it safe to drive again, make it drivable again. And then also I'll tell them, hey, you ever been to a car show? And the majority of them have been to a car show, and I say, hey, do you see the really nice cars there? So that's something else we do here. That's another facet of what we do here. We teach the SP2 safety. We also do the National Lift Foundation. They have to sit in the classroom until they finish it. Get it done and get it done right. Safety is definitely a high priority here. This year we have enacted where they can take the ASE and get the student certificates, and we can also go with the iCar and the state of Michigan motor vehicle repair license for auto collision repair. There's some tooling I would really like to get, and we have 50 students, and with prices of everything going up and getting more expensive and more kids coming, it would sure be a help to get some extra tooling for aluminum, so I can bring that to the forefront of our program, since that seems to be not stopping and moving ahead even further. Rivet gun, I would like to get the rivets themselves. I'd like to get a aluminum stud gun kit, some aluminum hammers, aluminum dolly blocks, some sanders specifically for aluminum, and just stuff that has to deal with aluminum and aluminum only. More tools, more opportunities, better trained students.